Remedies in civil cases. Damages. The key recourse given by the judiciary is the requirement that the sum of money is charged to the complainant. It is considered a punitive settlement. The purpose of the grant of judgment in the case of a violation of the contract is to put the defendant in the same condition as much as money may do, as it should have been had the deal not been violated. It is a common purpose in the event of misconduct to put the complainant in the same condition as though the wrong had not been done. There are, of course, other cases in which cash insurance will not always account for the damage incurred by a violation of contract or a breach of contract. It refers in principle to situations where the complainant has sustained severe physical injuries and could be faced with lifelong impairment. Special damages. That is the word for damages that may be precisely measured. For example, in the case of a violation of neglect after a car accident, it is difficult to calculate the exact expense of fixing the vehicle, finding a driver when the vehicle is off the road, and removing broken clothes. This would, therefore, be necessary to quantify the lack of revenue that has actually happened owing to accidents, since all sick leave will be taken into consideration. General damages. These are for matters which cannot be adequately dealt with. In serious injury situations, these may require the volume of discomfort and distress, as well as a potential reduction of earnings. This may also provide an estimate for the expense of care or any help required or for the conversion of a home to support an adult with disabilities. Nominal damages. If the claimant wins the case but cannot assert that there has been a significant injury, it is available to the judge to offer a minor sum of money in appreciation of the violation of the claimant's interests. That typically occurs with criminal acts that are actionable per se, that is by themselves, or only because they have occurred. An example is the tort of trespassing on the property, where the complainant can prove that the defendant stepped through the plaintiff's field without authorization or a lawful reason. It is sufficient for the judge to award the negligible defendant damages. Exemplary damages. These are also called punitive damages, and this is exactly what they are. Damages which are intended to punish the defendant, not merely compensate the claimant. Exemplary damages are not available for breach of contract and are only awarded in tort cases in the following situations: where they are authorized by statute, where there has been oppressive, arbitrary, or unconstitutional action by servants of the government, where the defendant intended to make a profit from the tort, which would be greater than any compensation due to the tort. Exemplary damages are very rarely awarded.